Salam friends! Ever wondered how a city can be ultra-modern yet steeped in tradition? Today, I'm taking you on a journey through Dubai, a city where futuristic dreams meet golden desert tales. Stay with me as I reveal insider tips, hidden gems, and personal stories from my own adventures that make this urban escape truly unforgettable. Imagine stepping into a place where every corner sparkles with innovation and tradition. From the iconic Burj Khalifa to the historic lanes of Al Fahidi, Dubai is a city of contrasts that never ceases to amaze. Remember that burst of modern magic? Now let's dive into the city's most vibrant districts. Strap in, folks. We're about to tour the many faces of Dubai. Each district tells a unique story, from ultra-modern marvels to charming historic enclaves. If you love the downtown sparkle, wait until you see what else Dubai has in store. Roam around downtown Dubai, where landmarks like the Burj Khalifa and Dubai Fountain light up the night. I still remember standing beneath those towering heights, completely awestruck. Dubai Marina is a playground of luxury. Think sleek yachts, trendy cafes, and a skyline that sparkles with every sunset. Imagine a man-made island that's as breathtaking as it is opulent. Palm Jumeirah offers beachfront bliss and views that always leave me speechless. Step into Old Dubai, where narrow lanes and bustling souks reveal the city's rich heritage, a striking contrast to its modern face. Notice the vibrant spices and crafts that tell a story of tradition. Soak in sun-drenched days at Jumeirah Beach, where stylish beach clubs and calming waves invite you to unwind. For adventure seekers, a desert safari offers thrilling rides and peaceful moments under endless skies. Discover Expo City Dubai, a hub of innovation and global culture that's as inspiring as it is futuristic. Remember that modern marvel of downtown? Now let's journey through the layers of time that shaped this extraordinary city. Dubai wasn't always a glittering metropolis. Its humble beginnings as a small fishing village and trading port are etched in its soul, a story of perseverance and vision. Witness an extraordinary transformation, a city that dared to dream big and built a future that defies the desert's odds. Today, Dubai is a living testament to innovation, where modern luxury seamlessly meets a storied past. Modern Dubai strikes a perfect balance, a dynamic blend of fast-paced energy and moments that invite you to pause and reflect. Now let's unveil some iconic landmarks, and that hidden gem I promised. Stay tuned. Get ready to be dazzled. From jaw-dropping skyscrapers to mesmerizing desert vistas, Dubai's must-sees are pure magic. And trust me, later I'll reveal that hidden gem even many locals guard as a secret. Stroll through downtown Dubai, where every landmark is a symbol of ambition and luxury. Dubai Marina offers an enchanting blend of modern luxury and vibrant nightlife, a real feast for the eyes. Whether you're chasing urban thrills or serene escapes, Dubai always surprises. And that hidden gem? I promise, it's coming up next. Let's now uncover some of Dubai's best-kept secrets. Some of the most unforgettable experiences are hidden in plain sight. These secret corners of Dubai reveal a side of the city that few ever see. I remember stumbling upon a quaint cafe tucked away in a narrow alley. It felt like a hidden treasure in a bustling city. Walk along Al Seef, where history meets modern creativity, an oasis of culture and culinary delights. Explore the winding alleys of Al Fahidi, a living museum that tells the true story of old Dubai. Discover hidden art galleries and boutique shops bursting with creativity. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, that secret rooftop oasis, offering panoramic views and tranquil vibes, tucked right in the heart of the city. If you're loving these secrets, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel adventures. Alright, now let's jump into some practical tips to make your Dubai adventure seamless. Planning is half the fun. Here's my ultimate checklist to ensure your Dubai trip is smooth. From travel hacks to must-have apps, these tips have helped me navigate this dazzling city. Check the video description for links to recommended websites and apps. Double-check your passport and visa. Dubai's streamlined entry process means you're just a few steps away from luxury. Book early, whether it's a high-rise hotel or a charming boutique stay. Comfort is key in this dynamic city. I swear by the Dubai Metro and taxis, fast, reliable, and a breeze to navigate. Grab a local SIM or portable Wi-Fi to stay connected during your urban adventure. Load up on navigation and local apps. Trust me, they're lifesavers in Dubai's fast-paced environment. Pack for warm days and cool evenings. Dubai's weather is as vibrant as its skyline. Bonus tip, the best time to visit is November to March for comfortable weather. Keep digital and printed copies of your essentials. Always be prepared. Now that you're all set, let's talk about getting you into this city of wonders. Your adventure begins the moment you land. Dubai International Airport is a marvel in itself, sleek, efficient, and the perfect gateway to your city escape. Pro tip, look for the automated immigration lanes for a hassle-free start. How do you like your airport experience? Busy buzz or laid-back vibe? Let me know. Time to hit the city streets. Dubai is waiting. Every journey in Dubai is an adventure. Whether you're hopping on the metro, catching a water taxi, or driving along the coastal highways, this city offers travel options for every mood. What's your favorite way to travel in a city? Fast metros, scenic drives, or something else? Share below. Next, let's spark your wanderlust with some sample itineraries. Whether you're into high-octane city life cultural adventures or a mix of both, I've crafted a few itineraries that capture the essence of Dubai in bite-sized, unforgettable experiences. Day 1. Marvel at downtown's wonders. Day 2. Explore upscale Dubai Marina. Day 3. Unwind at that secret rooftop oasis. Start in old Dubai's historic alleys, dive into modern art at Al Seef, and finish with a breathtaking desert safari. Mix the thrill of theme parks with hands-on cultural tours. Dubai offers something special for everyone. If you could choose one of these itineraries for your next escape, which would it be and why? I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Remember the excitement we built up so far? Now let's brush up on a few local phrases to add that personal touch to your adventure. A few Arabic phrases go a long way. A warm salam or a sincere shukran opens doors and hearts across Dubai. What's one Arabic phrase you're excited to try? Let me know below. Now let's explore some cultural quirks that make every interaction in Dubai memorable. Dubai is a melting pot of cultures. From respectful greetings to enjoying the art of conversation in a bustling souk, a little understanding of local etiquette goes a long way. What's your secret to connecting with locals on your travels? Drop your tip below. Next, let's talk about staying safe while soaking in all the city has to offer. Dubai is as safe as it is dazzling. With a few smart precautions like keeping an eye on your belongings, you can explore with confidence. Have you ever had a travel safety tip that saved your day? Share it below. Now onto a crucial part of every trip, keeping healthy on the go. A quick health check and solid travel insurance are musts. That little health kit might just turn a minor hiccup into another story of your adventure. What's your go-to travel health hack? I'm always looking for new ideas. Dubai's wonders belong to all of us. By supporting local artisans and sustainable practices, we help preserve the magic of this vibrant city for future generations. Got a green travel tip that makes your journey more eco-friendly? Share it below. Now let's explore how Dubai makes travel accessible to everyone. Dubai is paving the way for accessible travel. With modern infrastructure and thoughtful design, everyone can experience the city's wonders. Do you have an accessibility tip to share? Drop it in the comments. I'm listening. Ready to experience Dubai without breaking the bank? Let's talk budget. Dubai may have a reputation for luxury, but it also offers incredible experiences on a budget. With insider tips, you can enjoy this city without emptying your wallet. What's your best money-saving tip when traveling? I'd love to hear your secrets. Dubai's calendar is bursting with events, from dazzling festivals to intimate cultural exhibitions. There's always something amazing happening that lets you experience the city's true pulse. What's one event you're dying to attend in Dubai? Share your dream plan below. In our digital age, staying connected is key. Let's see how. Stay connected in the city of innovation. Grab a local SIM, portable Wi-Fi, and load up on apps like RTA and Google Maps. It makes exploring Dubai a breeze. Links to these apps are in the video description. What's the one travel app you can't live without? Share below. Now let's take a delicious detour into Dubai's culinary scene. Get ready for a flavor explosion. Dubai's food scene marries ancient recipes with modern twists that will make your taste buds dance. Which dish has you drooling? I'd love to hear your foodie dreams. Let's check out some top restaurant experiences you simply can't miss. Experience the heart of Emirati flavors, a meal that feels like a warm welcome to this dynamic city. Downtown offers a cutting-edge culinary adventure that's as stylish as it is scrumptious. Dubai Marina serves up seafood with a view, perfect for a luxurious night by the water. For an authentic taste of Dubai, hit the streets of Deira. Every bite is an adventure. For a truly refined experience, enjoy fine dining high above the city, a feast for both the eyes and palate. Which dining delight tempts you the most? Let me know your pick in the comments. Next, let's find that perfect place to rest during your urban escape. Your stay is key to a perfect trip. Whether you're drawn to modern luxury or a boutique vibe, Dubai offers a home that fits your style. What's your ideal lodging style? Luxurious high-rise, boutique charm, or a mix? Let me know. Now, let's spotlight the top accommodation options in the city. Experience ultimate modern luxury in downtown Dubai, where every detail dazzles. Step into a boutique that tells a story. Heritage charm meets modern comfort in Old Dubai. Unwind in Dubai Marina, where stylish resorts offer the perfect blend of relaxation and excitement. Escape to the desert for a night under the stars, a magical retreat that feels like home. For the budget-savvy traveler, Dubai offers stylish yet affordable options that don't skimp on comfort. After a great night's sleep, it's time to see how Dubai comes alive after dark. When the sun sets, Dubai transforms into a playground of lights and sounds. Whether you're sipping cocktails on a rooftop or relaxing in an intimate lounge, the energy is contagious. Let's count down the top nightlife experiences that keep Dubai buzzing after dark. Imagine sipping creative cocktails high above the glittering skyline. Each night is a celebration. Let the laid-back atmosphere of Dubai's lounges set the perfect mood for an evening of relaxation. Dance under the stars at Dubai's beach clubs, a fusion of sun, sand, and rhythm. Experience a taste of local heritage with nighttime cultural events that dazzle the senses. Wind down with a relaxed session at one of Dubai's charming pubs, a perfect end to a lively night. Before we wrap up the night, let's explore Dubai's vibrant shopping scene. From the glitz of mega malls to the charm of traditional souks, shopping in Dubai is an adventure. Every market tells a story, and sometimes you stumble upon an unexpected treasure. As our journey starts to wind down, let's get ready for that bittersweet farewell. As your Dubai adventure comes to an end, remember, it's not a goodbye but a see you soon. The memories and stories you take home will keep this city alive in your heart. Before we wrap things up, here's a sneak peek at what's coming next. Thank you for joining me on this epic journey through Dubai. From its iconic modern marvels to its hidden cultural treasures, every moment has been unforgettable. If you enjoyed this adventure, Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our next epic journey. Now let's end with one final heartfelt reflection. Travel isn't just about the places you visit, it's about the memories you create and the stories you share. I'd love to know which part of this journey touched you the most. Alright, here's one last look at the magic of Dubai. As our Dubai adventure draws to a close, remember that every ending sparks the start of a new journey. Thank you for being part of this incredible trip. Until next time, ma salama and safe travels, my friend.